Alright guys, so this video is to guide you guys in your trading for the next couple of days, right? So here we're starting from the top to the bottom. That's how you should trade, top to bottom. This is the daily chart. I will not be going up to the weekly chart because it is not necessary at this point. This is the XY, the dollar index, and last week I showed you guys this, saying it was a breaking market structure, and at the point I was saying that when the price was here, it is a little bit confusing and it can either go up or come down. Right now, it seems like the market direction has chosen to come lower. So we looking at this is my target that I've outlined since last week. This target here, and next will be this target. So those are the two targets for the dollar index here. But before we set our sights on distant objectives, we want to just see how we can get into the market and make some money quick, right? So if we go to the 4-hour chart, you can see that there's this void over here, and you should better believe that this place is going to act as a resistance when price gets here. This place will act as a resistance when price gets here. So be looking to take profits when the XY gets here. That's in other currency pairs. Let's go and check out what other currency pairs look like at this moment. We go to EURUSD. You can see that EURUSD is a little bit strong, right? If you look at the GBP Euro GBP chart, you can see that EURUSD is stronger than GBPUSD because Euro GBP is trending higher. So this shows this that Euro is stronger than the pound right now. So let's move back to EURUSD here. So EURUSD already hits this area and does encounter some resistance, right? And for my New York session trade, I'll be seeing if I can join back this move. Right now in the New York session, so when price gets here, I'll be looking to join this upward move. In here. Let me even refine where I'm looking for opportunities. Let me refine it. So in here, I'm looking for opportunities to buy. So on a lower time frame, what I'm looking at is to see something like this. Go down in here, take out this low and go into this fair value gap, and then if you can create some buy structures, I can buy somewhere in here. And look to take the move higher. So pay attention to this thing I'm saying right now so that you won't make mistakes. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for on the lower time frame once price gets down here. Okay, that's hopefully if it does, it might just sit in here and nothing will happen, but let's see if it will have the power to run down in here. Okay, so that's that for EURUSD. Let me go back to the daily chart so that we can do our normal top-down analysis over here. So you can see that EURUSD making successive highs after the breaking market structure that I pointed out last week. This is the breaking market structure right here. That is it, and now we're pushing higher. We're still going to take this high, but that's what I believe. And then I am targeting this place as a distant objective in the next couple of weeks. So for us to have price run above this high here, I would not like to see price go below here, below this low right here. Okay, I would like to see this low hold. So price should not go under this place. Should just find some support around here and keep going higher. So that is my idea for this particular New York session. Let's see how it goes. And for the pound is a little bit weaker, but in my previous video, when not to trade, one of my previous videos, I told you that once, let me delete this, once the price goes above this high, that is when I'll switch to buying, and if we go below this low, I will switch to selling, right? You should go and watch that video if you have not. So we have gone above this high, so my bias right now is to buy. My bias is to buy right now, and I'll be looking to buy till we get to this point here. So I'll be taking profit on my buys here and then watching to see if price has the strength to go above this high and this high before continuing to this our distant objective that we marked out some weeks ago. So now we are looking for opportunities to buy around here and sell at this point here, and that is all we are looking to do now. So you can see that we go to a lower time frame, the pound came down in here, made a low, went higher. So we should see some strength around here, before price keeps going higher. So I don't expect to see it rolling over. If it rolls over, then the new entry area will be here. Okay, but for now, what I think that is going to support price is this area where we already are now. Okay, this area we're already at the possible buy area, so we should see some strength from here. But if not, to want to take this low and come down into this fair value gap over here. So now on the 15-minute chart, what shall we see? 15-minute chart, we should see this zone hold. Okay, this zone should act as a support for price. On a lower time frame, we want to see some signs of strength. I don't usually buy blindly. I don't like to buy blindly, so I must wait and see something reasonable in terms of strength happening after this area is tagged. So when price gets into this area, I want to see some signs of strength, just like I showed you in EURUSD. It comes down into this area, I want to see signs of strength. That's okay. We are going higher before we put in our buy position. So your entry will be somewhere here. In a move like this, your entry will be somewhere here. All right. So very simple concept here. And if I am on the charts when something like this forms, I will be there to show. I'll try and record it and show you guys how it works. Okay. So USD JPY, I'm not interested in this pair for now because of all the sporadic moves. I'm not interested in it. So gold, I don't think I have time to check gold, but let's just see what is happening here. On the daily charts, gold is increasing, like I said earlier, due to the war and also uncertainty behind it. We are still having some strength. So I've gotten to the target I outlined last week, which is 2000. So it got as high as 2009. Okay, which is quite cool. So we will see higher prices most likely. The next target for the upside is going to be these highs up here. So let me put a marker there. That is 2069. Those highs there, should see price getting there soon. Okay, but then price should not go lower than these down candles over here. Yeah, else that would be a bearish sign for me, and that's all I see for gold. Let me see if I can go down to the lower time frame. Okay, the lower time frames look good. It's looking good. This is the 4-hour chart here, and you can see that it's had this strong move here, and we can put in. So this is our support area. Go down to the 15-minute chart. So once we see, this looks like liquidity to me. This point here, I'm expecting price to come down below it and tag this area. Okay, so at this area, we'll start looking for confirmation on the lower time frame to see if, all right, this is going to get some strength and move to the upside. So I will just set an alert here. Let me set an alert so that I will not miss the move when it's ready. So that's for gold. let me go back to gold and show you the big picture again. This is the 1 hour chart. So you can see that it went down to lower time frame too. You can just put your buy limit here if you like this risk to reward ratio. So the risk to reward ratio is like this. You enter here and you put your stop here, not even below the low, just at the low. Okay, and then you target the high. That is 2.76R. I don't like it personally, but if it's good for you, please go ahead. By all means, go ahead. But I don't like that. It's not good enough. So I have to wait for something on the lower time frame before I do anything. And then we have US 30. Let's go from the daily chart. So on the daily chart, we have it has been crashing down for a couple of days, and now we are now at this resistance. Okay, this resistance area. We are here right now. So we're looking to see lower prices, lower prices, lower prices. We're looking to see. So that started showing some sign of weakness, but I would prefer to wait for a break in structure, which is once price gets below this low, once price gets below here and retraces, I'll be looking to sell. Okay, so once price gets below here, I'll be involved in this trade, and the target is this one first and this other red line second. So that's it. I'll set an alert here as well. And then the last one on my watch list is S&P 500. This one is very similar to US 30. I don't know if I have time to check it, but let's see. This one, I don't really like it. Nothing concrete is happening right now, so I will just ignore this and focus on US 30. Anything concrete so come out of this, I would like to see that. I'd like to see that. So yes, that is basically it. I hope this gives you insights and helps you take better trades this week. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Go on, check out everything I showed you here, backtest appropriately, and by God's grace, you could make some money using this information. And yeah, see you in the next video. Hey, so if you got to this point of the video, that shows that you actually like this content. So please like and subscribe to this channel so that YouTube can show my videos to more people like you who would find this valuable. And it's totally free. That's the best part. It will literally take you less than 3 seconds. So please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm waiting. In fact, I'm going to count down for you. 3, 2, 1. All right. See you later.